At hindi raw ligtas ang nalalanghap na hangin ng mga Pinoy. Nasa 17 micrograms per cubic meter ng tinatawag na particulate matter o PM2.5 o pinong-pinong mga pollutant ang nasa hangin sa bansa. Sa buong Southeast Asia, ang Pilipinas ang may pinakamababang concentration ng naturang pollutant.
May matinding sakit ang kalikasan. Sintomas ang iligal na pagputol ng mga puno at pagmimina na sa tuwing may kalamidad, mahihirap ang napupuruhan.
Ganyan na ang nakapanlulumong itsura ng bundok sa Cagayan Valley. Natapes na ang bahagi ng bundok. Bukod sa pagpapakawala ng tubig ng Magat Dam, illegal logging ang isa pang itinuturong dahilan ng malawakang baha sa Cagayan at Isabela. Kaya ito ang pinatututukan sa PNP Regional Office 2.
Barangay Runruno sa Quezon, Nueva Vizcaya. Sa kasagsagan ng bagyong Ulysses, tinangay ng landslide ang 6 na bahay sa sitio Bitang. 4 ang nalibing ng buhay, kabilang ang isang sanggol. Pahirapan ng search, rescue and retrieval operation na sinabayan ng malakas na ulan at paghuhupa ng lupa. 6 pa nilang kabarangay ang ganito rin ang sinapit. Nag-preemptive evacuation naman daw ang LG ng company umano ang sangkot sa pagkalbo at pagpatag sa tuktok ng bundok sa sitio.
Kasi po naka-red.
Base po sa update ng Pag-asa, nasa may West Philippine Sea na ang severe tropical storm Maring.
Rumagasa ang baha sa bahagi ng maisang ito sa Bagao, Cagayan kaninang umaga. Pero hindi alintana ng ilang magsasaka. Maisalba lang ang aning mais. Tumulong na rin sa paghahakot ang ilang napadaang residente. Na naman ng video ng residenteng sinelawigan ang sako-sakong mais na naanod sa ilog sa barangay San Miguel. Hindi na rin madaanan ang ilang tulay at kalsada sa Bagao matapos masapawan ng ilog.
The country's population to hit 110.8 million by year-end. The government says our growth rate is slowly going down.
Mas masaya pag marami. Mahirap pag konti. Oo, masaya maraming anak. Pero syempre, isipin din natin yung magiging buhay nila.
Kagaya ngayon na mahirap ang buhay.
In the Philippines, we Filipinos are already feeling this effect. From low-pressure typhoons, it has evolved into super typhoons, with some incidences of tornadoes. Monsoon rain warning elicits fear as it can bring flash floods. Temperatures rise and our heat index has increased dramatically. As cities and provinces develop, our natural resources are also compromised. Even more sadly than what just stated, global warming has become one of the most major problems worldwide since it affects the whole planet and it slowly engulfs our world every minute. There is a long list of environmental issues, but in reality, they are intertwined with each other and need serious attention from all of us.
Here are the top 5 environmental issues in the Philippines.
Pollution, in context, is the introduction of contaminants into the environment causing adverse change. It is present through noise, air, and water. As we produce more noise, it can interfere with the behavior of certain animals in the ecosystem. Also, on some studies, the effect of sound waves turns into heat, causing a slight change in the temperature of the environment. Air pollution is what we can often see in urban places. Smoke, belching vehicles, and gases from factories are the culprits in contributing to air pollution. On water pollution, incessant throwing of garbage and appropriating industrial waste disposal affects our bodies of water, which in turn cause trouble in marine life. Second, global warming due to emission of greenhouse gases. In almost any activity, we emit greenhouse gas such as using our electricity, cooking and driving our cars. As we breathe out, we also produce carbon dioxide. The more people in a certain area, the bigger carbon dioxide are emitted into the environment. As these gases are produced, it generates heat, causing a change in the climate. Third is overpopulation. Overpopulation seeds into a lot of problems, with the need for new homes. The development of new buildings, houses and establishments are in order, after which the demand for electricity, food and other greenhouse gases also increases. Scarcity of food can be experienced due to the limited ability of the animals to populate fast. Thus, dishonest people nowadays resort to using chemicals and medications to boost and fake the growth of these animals. Overpopulation also means having more garbage to dispose. Natural resources depletion. Mining and quarrying has become rampant over the years and are to be blamed for destroying the beauty of our environment. Among the natural resources that we have, water, oil, and forests are the top 3 on the list. Fresh water, in reality, is only 2.5% of the world's total water volume. If the problems affecting our bodies of water continue, the demand for drinking water will increase, causing water shortage and worse, famine. Oil, on the other hand, is used every day for transportation of goods and electricity. Lastly, according to statistics, deforestation contributes an estimate of 12% to 17% of greenhouse gas emission per year. Trees emit oxygen and filter the air, but with lesser trees, flash floods are likely to happen. Fifth, waste disposal. Improper waste disposal creates a hazardous problem to everyone. It may infect people not only physically but through the air and water. Garbage thrown in the rivers and canals may not only block our waterways, but it invites rodents to infect the water and soon be transferred to humans. Clogged waterways have a tendency to spill, causing flash floods, which is what is happening here in our country. Likewise, the lack of enough dump sites and landfills is also a hindrance in helping to solve our garbage management crisis.